This is not the first time that I'm opening up a Fantiik product because we're such fans, I can't even express how incredible their little products are. And this is the Nex S1 Pro. Means nothing to you, right? It's a cordless, rechargeable screwdriver. Fantiik, I believe, should be winning designing awards. Look at this beautiful, heavy duty. Look at this. And then this pops out just like that. So we pop it out. And look at this. This has like kind of a little give. This is the charging station here. Boom. You've got your cordless screwdriver. Where are the bits? Check this out. You just go like that. And I got it. There we go. Look how beautiful and well thought out the design is. So of course, you've got your forward and back right here and 3 different levels of intensity. So I can put it right on off, 1, 2, or 3. Got a nice little light on one end, of course, on the proper end that you needed. 16 bits, your classic Phillips and flatheads and all that stuff, but also you've got your specialized bits that I use all the time for computer components. And look at this. Perfect every single time, super easy to hold, I love the design. And when you're ready, you know you're not losing anything. This is all magnetized also. You're not gonna lose anything because everything just fits perfectly inside its little case. Pop it up. It comes with the USB-C cable to charge it. It is absolutely beautiful. The Nex S1 Pro by Fantiik.